Welcome back, coin enthusiasts. Today, we're on the hunt for the elusive 1940 Jefferson nickel, a coin with a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. Let's uncover the secrets behind this numismatic gem. The 1940 Jefferson nickel is no ordinary coin. Produced during a pivotal time in American history, these nickels are highly sought after by collectors due to their rarity and unique characteristics. But what makes the 1940 Jefferson nickel so special? Well, it all comes down to a few key factors. Firstly, its low mintage numbers make it a rare find. Secondly, any variations or errors on the coin can significantly increase its value. Here, we have an example of a 1940 Jefferson nickel with a minting error. Notice the slight misalignment of the mint mark? This seemingly minor imperfection can make all the difference in determining its value. So how much could a 1940 Jefferson nickel be worth? Well, it varies depending on its condition, rarity, and any unique features it may possess. Some have been known to fetch thousands of dollars at auction. Imagine stumbling upon one of these beauties in your coin collection. It's like finding buried treasure right in your own home. But remember, not all 1940 Jefferson nickels are created equal, so it's essential to do your research and consult with experts. And there you have it, folks. The intriguing tale of the 1940 Jefferson nickel, a coin worth much more than its face value. So next time you come across an old coin, take a closer look. You never know what hidden treasures you might find. This coin's value in market $1 million. Thanks for joining us on this numismatic journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coin collecting adventures. Until next time, happy hunting!